Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Monday, and it's day 70 of the Quarantine Gardeners.
Wow. If this is your first time watching us, we're the Quarantine Gardeners. I'm Sean, this is Allison, and we're doing things around our garden while under quarantine, and this is our daily video log of us getting stuff done.
And thank you to those of you who've been following along with us. We really appreciate your support. And for those of you that are new, hi, welcome, and we would love for you to subscribe so you don't miss any future episodes.
So guys, today we are out in our garden and we're going to trim back our Spanish Bluebells that are done flowering. So if you don't know, Spanish Bluebells are a type of hyacinth bulb, and they're beautiful bulbs. They're gorgeous, they have nice bright purple blooms, and they're related to grape hyacinths or just hyacinths.
You know what's really weird about these? These are beautiful flowers. A lot of people consider them invasive and they rip them out. They don't like them and they don't want to have them. They do spread, but we love them. We think they're beautiful. They're a pollinator attractor. They just add a lot of texture and color to the yard.
Yep, and we want them to spread. We want them to multiply and fill in the space that they're in. When planting any plant in your garden, it's always good to know why you're planting it and what you want it to do. If you want it to spread, that's great. If you don't, just make sure you understand how it grows and its needs so you can control it in the best way possible.
Okay, so here they are. Aren't they gorgeous right now? If I get in closer, you can see that they have this tall stem that comes right out of the ground. And you can see we have quite a few, or we had quite a few of them, and they really did spread. It could be that we have them contained in a smaller bed, so maybe that's why we're encouraging them to spread, and we want them to fill in this whole space.
They're already done flowering and they've set seed, and they look kind of sparse. There's not really any color to them besides being green and then showing those seed pods. But we don't want to rip out all the leaf material and cut the plants back all the way to the ground just yet, because you can see they're still green leaved, they're still photosynthesizing, most of them, and so we want to let them continue to do that so they can store that energy, that photosynthetic energy, and get it back down to the bulbs so they can multiply and do what they need to do biologically. And this will keep them really healthy coming up in the next year. So what we're going to do today is we're going to trim these flower stalks off and let them naturally wither back so they're nice and healthy for next year. So guys, what we're going to do is we're going to get in here, and I've got my favorite clippers here, my favorite hand shears, Coronas, Classic Cuts. We'll have a link down below in the description for you if you want to check those out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab onto the stem. I don't have to get too exact with trimming this off, but I'm going to take my clippers and I'm going to just cut that stem right there. And then that wasn't really too much of a cut, it was more of a tear, but we can try that again. So get down here, make a cut, get further in on our clippers. There we go, there's a good cut. And we're just going to continue this until we get all these spent blooms off.
So we finished the job, we got them all deadheaded. Look how many came out of that tiny area.
Quite a few here, guys. All of these came out of that little area. Pretty cool, huh?
This has to be over double from what we had last year.
Yep, they've multiplied, and that's exactly what we want them to do in this area. So guys, hopefully that was helpful to you. You enjoyed watching us get this done in your yard. We enjoyed it. It's always good to get stuff done. And maybe we gave you some ideas in your yard, maybe some inspiration. We hope so, because that's why we're doing this.
And with that, another project checked off our list. So moving on to the next one for tomorrow.
So guys, leave us your comments and questions down below. Give us that thumbs up so we know we're doing a good job. And then also subscribe so you get updates on our newest videos when they come out.
And we'll be back tomorrow with another project. So we'll see you on day 71.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.